Yeah.
வெல்கம் டு ரேபிட்மிண்ட்ஸ் தமிழ் சேனல். பிஜிடிஆர்பி எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கான கம்ப்யூட்டர் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் UNIT-6 ப்ரோக்ராமிங் வித் C++. ஸோ சி ப்ரோக்ராமிங்குடைய MCQs அதற்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். நம்மளுடைய சேனலை மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டிஆர்பி சம்மந்தம்னா அனைத்து வகமே தொடர்ந்து கொடுத்துக்கிட்டே இருப்போம். ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம மற்ற யூனிட்ஸுக்குமே MCQs கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதோட லிங்க் எல்லாமே இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ள டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது. MCQs தேவைப்படும் நம்ம சேனல் காண்டாக்ட் நம்பருக்கு டைரெக்டாக காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். Which paradigm focus on what to solve rather than how to solve? ஸோ இதற்கான கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் டிக்ளரேட்டிவ். Which of the following is not a programming paradigm? ஸோ இதற்கான கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் லெக்சிக்கல். Involved encapsulation refers hiding implementation details. Which language is purely functional? ஸோ இதற்கான கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் SQL. Logic programming is best represented by prologue. An IDE typically includes compiler, debugger, editor. Which is not a phase in program execution? So இதற்கான கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் deletion. A just-in-time compiler is used in Java. Which tool helps detect memory leaks? Profiler. An interpreter execute code A and C line by line and full compilation. After a full compilation, binding time refers to when a variable is assigned a value, when a function is called, when a program is compiled. 12th, static binding occurs at static binding compile time. Dynamic binding is used in polymorphism. Option A, polymorphism. A virtual machine is used in JVM. Option C, Java. Which is an example of early binding? So இதற்கான கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஓவர்லோடிங் இன் C++. early binding. 16th, syntax of language is governed by. Syntax of a language is governed by grammar rules. Syntax of a language is governed by grammar rules. 17th, BNF package or form is used to describe. Syntax of language. 18th, which is a lexical error? Misspelled keyword. Option C, misspelled keyword. Lexical error. 19th, a context-free grammar is used. Context-free grammar is used. Parsing programming languages. Parsing programming languages. Which symbol is a terminal in BNF? Which symbol is a terminal in BNF? P plus. First phase of compilation is lexical analysis. Correct option, lexical analysis. 22nd, lexical analysis generates tokens. 23, semantic analysis checks for type mistakes. Option B. Intermediate code generation procedures. Generation procedures. 3 address code. Option B, 3 address code. The final stage of compilation is first stage of compilation. So code generation. Option B, code generation. Finite automata are used in lexical analysis. Push down automation is used for context free languages. 20th, which is not a component of a finite automation. Stack. A turning machine represents recursively enumerable languages. Regular expressions are used to define lexical tokens. Orthogonality in language design means features can be combined without restrictions. Which is a design trade-off in languages. Readability versus performance. A language with weak typing allows implicit type conversion. 34, which is not a language design goal. Compilation speed. Option D. A scripting language is typically interpreted. Which page detects undeclarative variables? Semantic analysis. Dynamic scoping resolves variables at runtime. A macro is expanded during pre-processing. Which is an example of declarative language? SQL. A linker resolves external references. Which is not a programming model? Lexical. Which language uses dynamic typing? Python. Which language uses dynamic typing? Python. A symbol table is used in all of the above. Which is a left recursive grammar rule? Option A. Which compiler checks for unreachable code. Which compiler page checks for unreachable code? Code optimization. Option D. A dangling else program. A dangling else problem is resolved by parser, which is not a parsing techniques. Which is not a parsing techniques. Dynamic programming. A compiler for C++ typically written in is typically written in Java. Which is a runtime environment features? Runtime environment features garbage collection. Which is true about interpreter? Which is true about interpreter executing line by line?